Digital Green brings together technology and social organization to amplify the effectiveness of existing efforts in agricultural development. It trains rural communities to produce videos that are by farmers, of farmers, and for farmers, to exchange agricultural practices that can boost their productivity. These videos are shared among small groups of farmers on a weekly basis using a battery operated Pico projector. We capture data of the farmers involved with Digital Green and build individual histories which can be viewed on FarmerBook. FarmerBook is a prototype which is your view into the timeline based activity feeds of the farmers that Digital Green and its partners work with in the field. The panel on the left side of the screen is a leaderboard of farmers that adopted the greatest fraction of videos that they have seen. By just clicking anywhere on the map, you can discover any farmer even in a remote village of India. This is Kothanagar village in Keonjhar district of Orissa. Now let's consider Pramila Mohunta. You can see the videos that she's watched, the farming practices that she's interested in, and the new agricultural practices that she's tried over time. We are also linking the profiles of the farmers that we are working with in the field with online social networks. We do this to connect people in places like Delhi and DC with the realities of farmers and their conditions. We therefore built a Facebook game called Wonder Village. In this game, the players work together with the community to build a virtual village economy. Players of Wonder Village cultivate farm crops to produce raw goods for industries. Industries further produce goods that are supplied to community buildings like schools and hospitals. On the left side of the screen, quests keep popping up. Players participate in quests to learn about issues of agriculture, health, and education. The players can turn to village gurus in order to make their industries and community buildings active. These village gurus are the real farmers that Digital Green and its partners work with. Village gurus will link to FarmerBook so that the player can directly from the game learn more about farmer activities. You can also play Wonder Village with friends to connect your social networks with farmers. In order to know more about our activities, do visit us at digitalgreen.org.